how to make a post-divorce financial recovery plan. Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with Divorce661.com. Divorce can be emotionally draining, but it can also leave you feeling financially unsteady. Whether you're walking away with less income, new debts, or a completely different financial picture, it's critical to create a clear post-divorce recovery plan to get back on track. Let's talk about how to build one step by step. First, start by reviewing your divorce judgment. Know exactly what you're responsible for, support payments, divided debts, or property expenses, and confirm what assets you're walking away with. This gives you the baseline for your new financial life. Next, build a detailed monthly budget based on your current income and expenses. Include everything from housing and utilities to groceries and insurance. Your first goal is stability, making sure you're covering your essentials without going further into debt. We helped a client who was overwhelmed by the financial shift after divorce. By setting up a simple, realistic budget and automating her bill payments, she reduced stress and started building a small emergency fund within the first few months. At Divorce 661, we offer more than just legal help. We provide checklists, templates, and planning tools to help you organize your finances and take control of what comes next, step by step. Also think long-term. Start rebuilding credit, create a savings goal, and review your retirement contributions. These small efforts now will add up to major progress over the next year. If you've finalized your divorce and need help creating a smart, realistic financial recovery plan, visit Divorce661.com for a free consultation. We'll help you rebuild with confidence so you can move forward financially secure and stress-free.